we would like to show you how we are preparing our Toyota Rav4 for the last time. We hope for the last, one of the last before our camper arrives. Here there is the camper of Steph's parents. We will have something very similar, a little bit shorter. And tonight we wanted to sleep in our car one of the last times. Let's go. So here I have my mattress, self-inflatable it says, but we always inflate, we push the inflation a little. It's here, and I have my sleeping bag, and this is the same for Ste with his orange sleeping bag. Then what is important is that to have the isolation, and we are using this type of material on the glass, all windows. So I think this one goes there. Like, I'll show how I put it. So we have this little window here, and I think the shape is something like that, just basically to cover it, so it gives isolation from light, cold, and of course the privacy. You don't see inside. So I'm gonna do all of these in all windows, on all windows. So these are different sizes. You see, this one is gonna go, I think, here or there. I have to ask Steph which one.
I don't remember.
You don't even remember yourself. Okay.
Since a long time we are not doing
so
it.
you understood. Now you have to come and help
me.
me.
We will cover all the window.
Come. First of all, we have a guest. Live watching the show. Un ospite che ci guarda live.
So right now you don't see too much because we don't have too many stuff, but when we were doing our holiday, especially last year that we went to Normandy, Brittany, something like that, so we are using this. Now it's a bit covered. We did with aluminium support, okay, it's like how can I say, a bench, okay, let's call it like this. And here we had different boxes where we had
with all the cooking stuff,
kitchen stuff, everything, okay.
The storage.
Yeah. So that means with our feet we sleep under this.
Yes,
okay?
the feet, not the head, the
Not
feet.
The head,
It goes
there.
here.
The feet is here. And you can still lift this and have many things, many stuff. It was full normally of, I don't know, beans or tomato sauce. All these things.
Yeah, canned food basically.
This is the base, let's say the bed, okay? So where we sleep normally is wood, and then we cover with aluminium, everything. I did everything with my father.
Yes, him. And him. Il capo.
Cap. So, after this,
yeah, let's now do the windows, and then we show.
And then we show you how to. Or maybe we can show you now how we fold the bed.
Yes. Show us how you fold the bed.
Not fold, but the principle. So let's say here, as we can see, these are is the back seat. Okay, now are folded. And normally when we close our bed, it goes up.
Aspetta, it closes.
No, it's still doing.
Sorry.
It's still...
Sorry, I lost the
Okay,
screen.
Polito is still already sleeping.
That's
but anyway,
me.
we have just to push in the front the seats, and then this, it comes up like this, okay? And we fold it. Maybe tomorrow morning when we close it, we will show you better. We close, it goes there, and we still have the back seat. So tomorrow morning we will show you. But anyway, for the moment, it stays like this. So this is our bed. It goes until there. It's 2 meters by 1.20, something like that. So there is enough
Which
space.
Is more than enough.
More
what
than
we
enough
need,
for
especially
both.
me. 160.
For me, yeah, perfect.
I fit perfectly.
Yeah, me, same. Okay, so now we cover the window.
Yes, this is all the stuff
how it
is on the floor. We'll go to the windows. Let's go. And this is how it looks when it is all covered with this little blanket thing. from inside. It's dark, beautiful like that. There is my peluche.
We have to adjust a little bit when once we are inside. We have to push a little bit more closer to the window. But inside, this.
Yes.
And we cut all of this cover by hand, me and my father, and then we went to Chinese to make the
Chinese, a shop, Chinese shop.
It's made by Chinese.
Yeah, they do a really good job. Look, the finishing is really beautiful. Et voilà. So to close this back, aspetta, first you go like this, okay, and then you fold this piece in here, and then this is to soften things up, you push, okay, this is like an extra layer we put between this wooden surface and
so anyway, this is okay. It's folded.
Yeah.
Show me. It's folded like this.
Yeah.
Voilà.
This is folded, and this is like an extra layer between the seats.
This was the plane that we were seeing, the wooden plane we were seeing yesterday.
Yeah.
Fold it. Here we have the seat. Now we push up the seat. Voilà. Finito.
Casino.
You organize a bit the mess and it's perfect. And on the back it stays closed like this.